Hey guys, it's Sofia Tilbury, and today I'm going to be recreating the disco glam look I did on Kate Moss for Charlotte's new holiday campaign. So many people have been asking me about this look. I'm excited for you all to try it. I'm starting with Hollywood Flawless Filter to get that lit from within mermaid cool skin. This is such a beautiful way to smooth, blur, and illuminate your complexion. It's a must for party season. Follow with Magic Vanish, which is a buttery soft color corrector to cancel the look of dark circles and pigmentation. Now for concealer. I'm using 2 shades of Beautiful Skin Concealer, the lighter shade to brighten and lift in these key areas, and the deeper shade to help reduce the look of redness and create a flawless canvas. I'm blending it all in with my Hollywood complexion brush for a seamless finish. Everyone needs one of these. Now we have the perfect base, it's time for the Beautyverse Palette. I'm going to start with the shade Virtual Taupe, a soft focusing neutral matte to sculpt the eye shape and define the lower lash line. Then I'm going in with my finger, blending the shades Cyber Silver and Beautyverse together to create a shimmering pop of light play over the top. A metallic eye like this always needs definition, so I'm using classic black eye pencil to tightline. Then following with my Feline flick for a wing that mimics Kate's iconic eye shape. Of course, we need Pillow Talk mascara. No party look is complete without it. For brows, we're going full and feathered with Legendary Brows in taupe and the brow cheat pencil in light blonde. I'm using the lip cheat in iconic nude, and to cheat that perfect heart-shaped look, just slightly overlining at the Cupid's bow and then filling in. And now, Charlotte's new Rocket Girl lipstick, created in collaboration with the Elton John AIDS Foundation and inspired by Elton's legendary rockstar DNA. Of course, I'm using the Hollywood contour wand. This is so easy to use. Just add your dots and pat it out. It gives the most flawless contoured effect. For blush, I want a dreamy nude pink glow with the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand, draped high over the cheekbones and topped with a few dots of spotlight for that disco glam effect. And now we need to set and soft focus. I'm gliding AIRbrush Flawless Finish powder over the center of the face to smooth the look of pores and create that airbrushed effect. Then I'm using the brightening powder just underneath the eyes to help bounce the light. Kate loves a faux freckle. It's like instant youth in a pencil. Dot Foxy brown over the cheekbones and bridge of the nose, then press in for a fresh-faced effect. Add a spritz of AIRbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and your makeup is ready to stay all day and party all night. Happy holidays, everyone! If you try Kate's look, let me know and tag me at Sofia Tilbury. And don't forget to shop Charlotte's limited edition Rockstar collection and new Beautyverse palette now at charlottetilbury.com.